Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG, giving LLMs up-to-date information. Imagine an LLM, large language model, like a brilliant friend who has read every book ever published up until a certain date. Say, last year. They can write poems, explain complex science, and even tell jokes, all based on what they learned from those books. They are incredibly powerful at understanding and generating human-like text. As developers, we can talk to this friend and ask it to do amazing things with words. But there's a catch. Because our LLM friend's knowledge stopped accumulating last year, it won't know about today's news, last week's stock market crash, or anything that happened after its last reading session. Even more importantly, it certainly doesn't know about your company's confidential documents, your personal notes, or any information that wasn't publicly available for its training. This creates a huge challenge for developers who want to build AI applications that need current or private information. This is where Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG, swoops in. Think of RAG as giving your LLM friend a super efficient, super smart personal librarian. This librarian doesn't learn new things in the same way the LLM does, but their job is to find and provide the LLM with the most accurate, up-to-date, or private information just before the LLM answers a question. For developers, RAG is the bridge that connects the LLM's vast general knowledge with specific, real-time, or proprietary data. Before your LLM can get new information, you, as the developer, need to create its custom library. This means taking your specific documents, articles, company reports, PDFs, website content, etc., and turning them into a format that's easy for the librarian to search quickly. We use something called an embedding model to convert text into numerical representations. Vectors. These vectors capture the meaning of the text and are stored in a special database called a vector database. This is your knowledge base, ready for searching. When a user asks a question to your RAG-powered application, e.g., what was our Q3 sales performance? Single quote. Here's what happens. The user's question is also converted into a numerical vector. Then, the librarian, your RAG system, quickly searches through your custom vector database to find the pieces of information that are most similar in meaning to the user's question. It's like finding the most relevant books or documents in your library based on the topic. Once the librarian finds the most relevant information from your custom knowledge base, it doesn't just give it directly to the user. Instead, it presents this retrieved information, along with the original user's question, to the LLM. The LLM then uses its general intelligence combined with these fresh, relevant facts to generate a much more accurate, up-to-date, and context-specific answer. As a developer, you're essentially programming the LLM to consult its sources before speaking. For developers, RAG is a game-changer because it reduces hallucinations. LLMs sometimes make things up when they don't know. RAG gives them facts, provides up-to-date information, connects LLMs to live data streams or recent documents, handles proprietary data. You can give LLMs access to your private data without retraining them or sending it to the LLM. For storage, cost-effective. No need to constantly retrain expensive LLMs for new information. Source citation. You can often show where the information came from, boosting trust. This gives you, the developer, immense power and control over the AI's responses, making your applications far more reliable and useful. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.